I joined the MSUD program last year in fall 2021. We started off with our beautiful welcome dinner in Ellen's house, where we got to know each other. We had some delicious food. We met students from PhD, and also we met our professors in a context outside the studio, and we just had some really nice conversations and fun. We are welcomed by Buzz. This is one of the very early pictures where we all look very happy because we just got some free food on campus. There are many events by SOA like this one where Aishwarya is selling some of her artwork. There are events hosted by EQIA, which is Equity in Architecture, where they do field trips, they do hosting a lot of events and recreation options, like here you see Atulya playing badminton, and also the salsa club that I was a part of, which is a lot of fun. Also basketball games. And GT took us to Six Flags as well as the Georgia Aquarium. So we sort of have a lot of these events where we just party together. We try to embrace the local culture, so these are some few pictures from Halloween, and this is from Thanksgiving, where Dishadra hosted a dinner and invited all of us to his place. So even after reviews, we are very sleep deprived, but we just go out after our reviews and spend time together. These are just some pictures from post-review times. There are these nice hangout spots on GT campus, and we have these slumber parties and small team parties after our class. This is a scene from us walking together after our theory class. That was one of our best classes in fall 2021. That's one of the times when we walked back from night class that we really got to bond and get together and talk about some things. Thank you. I hope you got a good sense of what life is like outside studio, and good luck.